The biggest risk of all is not taking one. Given a 10% chance of a 100 times payoff, you should take that bet every time. In investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable. I will tell you how to become rich. Close the doors. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. A lot of people with high AQs are terrible investors because they've got terrible temperaments. The best way to measure your investing success is not by whether you're beating the market, but by whether you've put in place a financial plan and a behavioral discipline that are likely to get you where you want to go. You get recessions, you have stock market declines. If you don't understand that's going to happen, then you're not ready. You won't do well in the markets. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. All intelligent investing is value investing, acquiring more than you are paying for. You must value the business in order to value the stock. How many millionaires do you know who have become wealthy? By investing in savings accounts. I rest my case. The individual investor should act consistently as an investor and not as a speculator. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. The four most dangerous words in investing are, "This time it's different." The investor's chief problem, even his worst enemy, is likely to be himself. If you have trouble imagining a 20% loss in the stock market, you shouldn't be in stocks. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. We don't have to be smarter than the rest. We have to be more disciplined than the rest. Don't save what is left over after spending. Spend what is left over after saving. The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you'll earn. He who is not satisfied with a little is satisfied with nothing.